Yes, and we're back. I'm going to be doing a few bits on the car today. What I've got planned for it is taking the door cards off and spraying the door card fabric a black, because currently it's got blue and red, and I thought, you know what, I've got this fabric spray and I thought, why not give it a go. I was going to use it for the roofline in the EP3 fucking ages ago, so I thought we'd give that a go today. So yeah, bear with us and yeah, see what it turns out like. So this is what it currently looks like. So this is what we're going to try and do black. So as you can see, it's got red, blue and a bit of grey in it, and I just thought, like, I want to get some black seats, black bucket seats, and I thought do black on the fabric door cards, and I'm going to leave the roof lining as it is because it's got like a bit of a material on it, so I thought there's no point touching it and it's fresh, but I thought we'd give this a go and see how it turns out. But yeah, we'll crack on. The good thing about working on Japanese cars is they're so simple, especially when they was built in the 90s. Like, so to take the door card off, we're talking about a little Phillips screw there and two Phillips screws there, and then it should just all unclip. Lovely jubbly. Voila! So that is so simple. Like three Phillips screwdrivers, unclips, three Phillips screwdrivers, 3 Phillips screws, unclips, just like that. How simple. It's not like one of these modern cars where you've got about 10 screws and fucking this, that and the other, but yeah, like, it's off. So yeah, I'm gonna mask it up and give it a spray. So you're gonna have to excuse the mess. We're currently working with like just working a tip really. I need to sort this garage out, but we're masked up. That'd do, do you know what I mean? And we're all ready to rock and roll. This is the stuff we're going to be using. So I got it online. I'll link the website down below in the description. But yeah, it's just a fabric spray dye, so hopefully it'll be all right, it'll cover well, and we'll see how we get on, but let's give it a go. So we're on. It's all covered. I think I'm only going to do one coat and see how it goes. I'm going to hang it up, let it dry out, and then see what is produced. Right guys, it's dry, so let's get it on. Productions. So that is it, guys. It's pretty simple. I'd actually recommend it. It's gone on very nice. Can't see no red, grey, funny colours. It's all pretty much covered in black, and it's nice. It's all lovely jubbly. So yeah, nice, quick, easy, simple little mod to the Glanza, first one. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll link all the bits in the description down below. But yeah, highly recommend it. So yeah, happy days. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.